Ready? This is my 1999 GMC Sierra. Some aftermarket spider headlights. Custom weight reduction. Tow mirrors. Not because I'm a faggot and that's what everyone would say, but it's actually I do plan on towing with this truck, and they have better visibility, and I like the look of them. Truck is fairly well sticker bombed. Full of trash. More custom weight reduction. Some, what are these? Again, General Grabber AT2 tires. These are actually pretty decent. I haven't been stuck yet. I haven't done anything too serious. Some wheels off of, I believe, an 07 Silverado. I know it's the body style right after this truck. Antenna, that was a bitch. Little life lesson. If the truck's really old and it's never been fucked with, don't take the antenna off. It's a bitch. I broke the friggin' mount right there, and I had to replace the entire thing. I had to take the whole fucking fender apart and the inside of the dash. It was a pain in the ass. This window does not work. It is being pegged up right now. Got some little hand grenade valve stem covers. It is a Z71. It's a 5.3 liter V8. My truck is a Decepticon. I have a Flowmaster Super 44 two-chamber muffler with no catalytic converters. See, what do I got to prop my phone up here? There we go. Let me give you a little bit of a cold start. As you could tell, that muffler with no cats on this truck has a very, very goddamn aggressive sound. It's not absurd. When it calms down a little bit and warms up a bit, it's a little better. I got a doorbell for the horn. My ignition's fucked up. I have no park, as you can see. See if I can cover that. Yeah, I have no park. I'm at least the 5th owner of this truck. This doesn't seem like much of an upgrade, but these extended size mirrors that clip on over your rear view, they help a lot, believe it or not. Take the e-brake off. Let's see. Now he's had a minute to warm up. It is about